The deepest we have ever drilled into the Earth's crust is about 12 kilometers. While that sounds extraordinary, it's less than 0.2% of Earth's huge 6,371 kilometer radius, meaning we've barely scratched the surface of our planet. So how do we know what lies thousands of kilometers beneath our feet? The answer comes not from the deepest hole, but from earthquakes. When a powerful earthquake strikes, it sends out seismic waves in all directions, and these waves travel through Earth's interior. We have installed sensitive seismometers around the globe that are sensitive enough to record powerful S and P waves from a strong earthquake. There are two main types of the seismic waves: P waves and S waves. P waves, or primary waves, are compressional waves that can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. S waves, or secondary waves, move up and down and can only travel through solids. They cannot pass through liquids. After major earthquakes, scientists observed something unique. Certain regions on the opposite side of Earth receive no S waves at all. This S wave shadow zone reveals that part of Earth's interior must be liquid because S waves simply can't pass through it. That liquid layer is the outer core. P waves, on the other hand, do travel through liquids, but they slow down and bend, creating a P wave shadow zone between about 105 and 140 degrees from the Earth's center. By carefully mapping where these waves arrive, where they disappear, and how they bend, scientists reconstructed Earth's internal structure: a solid crust, a thick mantle, a liquid outer core, and a solid inner core, all without ever going there. So every earthquake acts like a natural X-ray, sending vibrations that allow us to see deep inside the Earth we will likely never physically reach.